Hello girls! So, look at this, right? A twist out, or like kind of a twist out. I did a mini twist thing and I had it in for 2 weeks and now it's time to wash my hair. I'm gonna be washing my hair today, but more importantly, I am going to be doing and after I wash my hair, I'm gonna be trying the DOUX GANGSTA WRAP foaming lotion and the Just Glaze. We're gonna do a little product review and we're going to do a blowout on my hair and we're gonna wrap it into curls essentially. And then we're gonna wrap the hair up. I'm gonna show y'all how it comes out. I'm trying to really get into this auntie thing. I mean, I'm trying to get into y'all know how I watched Beauty Shop the other day. I've been watching a lot of stuff with Queen Latifah in it. I'm feeling real nostalgic and I didn't really grow up, I feel like, in that time, but I watched a lot of movies from that time when I was growing up, if that makes sense. So I want to really try and start learning how to do a bunch of different like new styles, a different little zhuzh, right? So anyway, I am going to wash my hair, we're going to blow dry it, and we are going to then wrap it into curlers. We're going to try and attempt another roller set on blow drying hair, testing these products. Okay, we got it. We got there. Hi, if you're new here, my name is LaTerra. I'm a multimedia content creator just across different platforms on the internet. One of the things that I do is hair content. If you don't know, I have 3C for a low porosity, high density hair. It's gonna be my take. If you like videos like this, if you like any type of video on my channel, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you get notified when I post, and be a part of our village, be a part of our family. If you want to stalk and stick around, my social media will be right here, as well as linked also in the description. So let's wash our hair. My little pajama set. Look at how cute. Anyway, I just got off the shower. Now I'm gonna apply the Just Glaze to my wet hair. After that, I'm gonna move to the room and then I'm gonna start with blow drying my hair with the directions for this say to just apply it in sections. So look y'all, I swear to God, this is the first time I opened this and I got this like, ooh. Smells like a DOUX product for real. I'm just gonna split my hair into 4 sections and apply it that way. And I believe smooth is possible once you blow dry. And I already detangled my hair and everything in the shower ahead of time to make this process a lot easier. I think the rolling part is gonna take me a little second because I'm not like good with rollers or nothing. So
Okay, so getting into basically the failed blowout attempt I did on my hair. As you guys can see, I'm sitting here struggling so bad. I don't really know what to do when I get to this point. We've made it here so much. It's not the product. The product is amazing. The GANGSTA WRAP is very gentle. It smells amazing. It's refreshing and it's very user-friendly. It's just user error here. After I figured out this was a flop, I went ahead and threw in my good old reliable flexi rods and then kept those in for 2 days, took them out with the OGX argan oil, one of my tried and trues, and we rocked a little twist out for the next 2 days that it lasted. After this attempt, this is my 3rd failed blowout and hair attempt here, but if you guys have any suggestions on what to do, if you guys could send me any tutorials on how to have a successful successful roller set, I would really appreciate it. I feel like I'm watching people do it and I just really can't. But anywho, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you did enjoy, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more content, and I will see you guys in the next time around. And let this be your sign: never give up, keep going. It's okay, you just learned what not to do next time. Bye guys.